just bought a Minion Play-Doh set. And today we are going to be having customers in our barber shop.
A purple minion and a yellow minion.
Okay, let's get started. So we have this one, chair,
And we got 4 kinds of Play-Doh.
yellow, orange, purple, and blue.
Okay, so our first customer up is this
Okay.
minion, the yellow one.
The yellow minion. Okay, get the Play-Doh in here.
Let's take the Play-Doh out.
So we got our Play-Doh in the minion.
And then we just click it on.
Slide them onto the chair and see what kind of hair we get. Okay, and we can brush that down for him.
And we don't want to try to make the hair come off.
And I have to ask him what kind of style he wants. What style do you want, Mr. Minion?
Can I have a broom?
You would like a broom. Really? You want a broom? Okay.
In orange.
Orange, okay. You're an orange broom. You sure no hat, mustache, or dress on the back?
No.
It's a dress. Okay. Okay, we would like a broom.
It's gonna be just ruined it.
Okay, we made our broom. We just gotta get the outside Play-Doh off. Oh, yeah, Mr. Minion, what are you gonna do with this broom?
I'm going to clean my house.
In your house with this broom? Okay, we'll give you a broom. You wanna hold that broom? Here you go.
It has a mustache. And it's got a mustache.
Really? Really? It's not your turn yet, sorry. Okay. Now, do you want anything done with your hair? Like a cut?
A hat.
A hat? Okay, let's see.
A hat is
Okay, I'll get you a hat. The mold is on the back.
any color, I don't care. Maybe purple.
Okay. Purple hat? You can get a purple hat. Get a mold.
Can you give me the brush?
The comb. Mr. Minion has his hat. Now we just gotta try to slide him off the chair without him getting ruined. Okay, let's try to get this. We have to restart it.
I got the money to pay for your next month's lessons.
And
Lex.
Mr. Minion with his broom, he's gonna go clean his house later. His hat and his yellow hair.
You did that.
Bye.